Hey guys, and welcome to the latest episode from the Because channel. It's all about making money online and passive income. Consider subscribing if you want to see more. So what has Warren Buffett to do with passive income? Aren't those two different worlds from two different eras? Well, yes and no. Here's what Warren Buffett and passive income have in common. Warren does not like to sell his time. He rather works for results, not for effort spent. Here's how Warren Buffett's approach differs from the passive income approach. Passive income is about generating income out of thin air, whereas Warren Buffett is about generating income from capital. Let me explain. One of the books Warren is known for is named The Snowball. It means in order to make a lot of money over time, you can start with something small and keep it rolling, never quit. Over time, it will be something huge. The difference is, what you invest initially, when you follow the Buffett example, is money. Some small amount of capital that you earned by selling your time or got from your family. Then you multiply it by investing. Multiplying the balance in your bank account by collecting the returns from your investments is a form of passive income. But the start, if we only look at the Warren Buffett example, is not. If we strictly look at the passive income approach, the start is done by mental work. By creating something that delivers income, recurring income, out of thin air, without the need to invest capital in the form of money. In the case of passive income, what you invest initially is a form of sweat equity. The mental work of trying to figure out what can work for you to generate income over and over again without you having to constantly work for it. It can be a YouTube channel. It can be renting out your car on platforms like GetAround or Turo. It can be affiliate marketing. But the key is, you're not starting with money. You're starting with thinking, then getting money from the things you build based on your thoughts. Then, you have a snowball. And then, and only then, the passive income approach and the Warren Buffett approach are in perfect harmony. Does that mean that by following a passive income approach you can become as rich as Warren Buffett? Absolutely. And it's even better. You can start with literally no money. Zero. Nada. Niente. Nothing. Just search YouTube, and you will find a lot of passive income ideas. But then, use the money earned passively to invest wisely. And invest it for the long term, don't engage in some form of trading. Invest. So the combination of passive income and Warren Buffett philosophies is a marriage made in heaven. Give me a like for this video if you agree. Also, please subscribe to my channel. Leave me a comment on what you think. Thanks for watching and see you next time.